Dad often gets the... Here we go, yeah! With the talking.
Let Grandma interrupt you. Keep going. What do you have to say? Are you going to play shy? Oh, shy.
What are you eating, Jack? What are you eating? What are you having?
Oh, he's being shy. You're such a flirt. Where's your water? Water. Yeah. Where's milk? Where's the milk? How about the banana? Where's the banana? Where is it? Oh, did it fall down on your lap? Okay. How about the peach? Where's the peach? Right there. Good job. Where's the milk? Yeah. Water. Water. Grandma. That's Grandma over there. Yeah.
Chloe.
Oh, is Chloe there? Okay, Chloe. Banana. That's right. Peach. Water. Banana. 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 Peach. Peach. Banana. Good job. Peach. Water. Really? Well, it's not time to take your bib off yet. No, not yet. Water. Bib. Bib. Camera. This is a camera. Camera. Grandma? Does it sound like camera? He pointed at you. It does a little bit. Water, you're right. Good job, Water.